everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Swagadasi. How are you all? I hope you all are so fine. So first of all, please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. Today we are going to start with a new topic, International Tropical Day. Yes, today we celebrate International Tropical Day. So let's start. The tropical region faces several challenges such as climate change, urbanization, deforestation, logging, and demographic changes. When it comes to thinking about where to go for a holiday, the idea of visiting some tropical islands would often come to mind, as what could be more relaxing than white sand beaches, azure blue waters, and palm trees. But apart from having some of the best holiday spots, the tropical regions help to conserve and balance the ecosystem too. On International Day of the Tropics, which is marked on June 29 every year, we take a look at the history and significance of this day. The tropics are a region of the earth roughly defined as the area between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. They receive sunlight that is more direct and generally hotter and water with little seasonal change in day-to-day temperature. The prevalence of rain in the moist inner regions near the equator is an important feature of the tropics. The tropical region faces several challenges such as climate change, urbanization, deforestation, logging, and demographic changes. So now let's talk about history of International Day of Tropics. As per the United Nations blog, the inaugural State of the Tropics report was launched on June 29, 2014 as the culmination of a collaboration between 12 leading tropical research institutions. To mark the anniversary of the launch of the report, the United Nations General Assembly adopted Resolution ARES 7267 in 2016. The resolution declared that June 29 of each year is to be observed as the International Day of the Tropics. So now let's talk about significance of International Day of the Tropics. The day was designed to raise awareness about the specific challenges faced by tropical nations and to also celebrate the extraordinary diversity of the tropics. It is also to highlight the important role countries in the tropics will play in achieving the sustainable development goals. It also provides an opportunity to take stock of progress across the tropics and to share tropical stories and expertise. So now let's talk about what are tropics. The tropics are the region of earth surrounding the equator. They are delimited in latitude by the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere at 23 degree 26 11.4 or 23.4365 degree north, and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere at 23 degree 26 11.4 or 23.4365 degree south. These latitudes correspond to the axial tilt of the earth. The tropics are also referred to as the tropical zone and the torrid zone. These tropics include everywhere on earth which is a subsolar point the sun is directly overhead at least once during the solar year. Thus, the maximum latitudes of the tropics have the same value, positive and negative. Likewise, the approximate due to the earth not being a perfect sphere. The angle of the earth's axial tilt, the angle itself is not perfectly fixed due chiefly to the influence of the moon, but the limits of tropics are a geographic convention being an average form and the variance is very small. In terms of climate, the tropics receive sunlight that is more direct than the rest of earth and the generally hotter and wetter. The word tropical sometimes refer to this sort of climate rather than to the geographical zone. The tropical zone includes deserts and snow-capped mountains which are not tropical in the climatic sense. The tropics are distinguished from the another climate and biomatic regions of Earth, which are the middle latitudes and the polar regions on either side of the equatorial zone. The tropics constitute 40% of Earth's surface area and contain 36% of Earth's landmass. As of 2014, the region was home to 40% of the world's population, and this figure was then projected to reach 50% by 2050. Now let's talk about its etymology. The word tropic comes from the ancient Greek meaning to turn or change direction. Now, seasons and climates. A graph shows the zonally averaged monthly precipitation. The tropics receive more precipitation than higher latitudes. The precipitation maximum, which follows the solar equator through the year, is under the rising branch of the Hadley circulation. The subtropical minima are under the descending branch and cause the desert areas. Tropical is sometimes used in a general sense for a tropical climate to mean to warm, hot and moist year round, often with the sense of lush vegetation. Many tropical areas have a dry and wet season. The wet season, rainy season or green season is the time of year ranging from one or more months when most of the average annual rainfall in a region falls. So this is all about tropics. I have also a quote for you that Edgar Allan Poe has said, "We had always dwelt together beneath a tropical sun in the valley of the many-colored grass." So that's all. I hope you like this video. So please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. Thank you.